Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about the interaction between CPU and RAM. But before starting this video I will request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Now let's start the video. RAM and CPU are both placed on the motherboard. RAM is a temporary memory that stores data and instruction of our CPU. The CPU takes data and instruction from RAM between required of CPU also placed processed in data in the RAM. The interaction between CPU and RAM take place every time an instruction of excited that this the interaction take place of the help of computer buses. RAM is the connected of CPU through in the buses control bus of the addresses. It is the collectively in the known of system bus. The system bus consists of the electrical path of the transfer information between CPU and RAM. The following steps of the performance of CPU wants to read data from RAM. CPU places the read request on control bus. CPU places in the addresses to required bytes of the word on address bus. Memory units read of the common addresses of the puts in the required data on data bus. CPU read in the data of the buses. In CPU addresses bus data buses RAMs. The following step of perform in the CPU wants to write data of RAM. CPU places the write request control bus in the memory units gets ready to the operation. CPU puts data on the data bus. Memory units read the data of place to the required of the word. CPU addresses bus, data bus and the RAM. Read only memory ROM of the stand for read only memory the instruction ROM of the preparation of the computer. Use these of instruction can also be read of the control by change of the deleted. It is not possible to write new information of instruction it is into the ROM. ROM storage data and instruction permanently when the power of is switched in of the instruction storage of RAM are not lost. Therefore, ROM is called non-volatile in the memory of instruction. The information of storage ROM by store in the manufacturers when the computer is switched on the instruction of the RAM automatically in the loaded of memory. It is computer ROM contains in the small set instruction of the called programs if they stand in the basics input output systems. These instructions tell in the computer how to access hard disk and find operating system and load in the operating system is RAM. The types of ROM different types of ROM as also follow. PROM instead of the program able to the only memory of the form in the value of intly blacks in the users of manufacturer can write data and programs in the using of special devices can in the write of data instruction only once it is the typical use to the electronic machines to store in the some information of permanently. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, do comments and share with other friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.